Top 20 common English questions and answers you need to know. Learn basic English conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome to English Vault. Today we'll cover the top 20 common questions and answers you need to know for basic conversations. Let's get started. Section 1. Basic questions for introductions. Common questions for getting to know someone and breaking the ice. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from London. How old are you? I'm 24 years old. What do you do? I work as a software engineer or I'm a student. Section 2. Everyday small talk questions. Questions that often come up in daily life to start a casual conversation. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? What's up? Not much, just relaxing. How's the weather? It's sunny today, or it's raining. Did you have a good weekend? Yes, I went to the beach. It was great. Section 3. Questions about likes and preferences. Interests and preferences, which help connect with others. What's your favorite food? I love sushi. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love exploring new places. What kind of music do you listen to? I enjoy pop and rock. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like reading and hiking. Section 4. Work and school. Questions. Questions about daily routines at work or school. What do you study? I'm studying business. What time do you start work? I usually start at 9 a.m. How do you get to work? School. I usually take the bus. Are you working on any projects? Yes, I'm currently working on a team project. Section 5. Social and invitation questions. Common questions about making plans and socializing. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Sure, that sounds fun. Would you like to join us for lunch? Yes, thank you. I'd love to. Are you free this evening? Yes, I'm free. What's the plan? Can I get you anything? Thank you. A coffee would be great. Great job, everyone. Now you know the top 20 common questions and answers in English. Practice these often, and you'll feel more confident in conversations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.